Manchester City identify £42.8 million replacement for Ake and Garcia, but have competition from Manchester United. Aymeric Garcia is expected to leave Manchester City for Barcelona at the end of the season, and the Manchester Evening News say Pau Torres is being lined up as a potential replacement. Manchester United are on the hunt for him too. Pep Guardiola isn't short of the centre-backs with Aymeric Laporte, John Stones, Nathan Ake and Ruben Dias at his disposal. But Garcia's summer exit and Ake's uncertain future might warrant him bringing somebody in. Where will Manchester City finish this season? The 24-year-old has risen through the youth ranks to Villarreal's first team and has gone on to make 74 appearances in all competitions, scoring 4 goals and supplying 2 assists by Transfermarkt. Torres has been a regular at centre-back this season, playing in every La Liga game under Unai Emery, conceding 29 goals and keeping 6 clean sheets, soccer stars. He has a €50 million or about £42.8 million salary release clause, however, so he won't come cheap. Garcia has amassed by only 200 minutes of Premier League football this season, while Ake has racked up 469 transfer market due to injury. So Guardiola might have a void to fill in the coming months. Torres is the ideal option as a left-footed centre-back, so it may be worth keeping an eye on outgoings.